This is an emergency. A potentially dangerous unknown creature has been detected in the area. For your safety, immediately close and lock all doors and windows. Stay indoors and avoid making noise. Emergency services are actively responding to the situation. Monitor official news channels for updates and await further instructions. Do not open the door. Do not look outside. Do not attempt to investigate or engage with the creature. Remember, do not let her inside. If you see anything near your home, do not move. She is inside. She is inside. She is inside.